Today we will start next lesson, surface chemistry. As it is clear by name, chemistry which takes place at surface known as surface chemistry. So it is a branch of chemistry which deals with the study of the phenomena takes place at surface or interface known as surface chemistry. Now in your syllabus, this lesson is divided into three parts: adsorption, catalysis and colloids. Today we will start with adsorption. Now question arises, what is adsorption? I give you a small example. Let's suppose in a class when a teacher uses a sponge to clean a chalkboard, then you see that these chalk particles get accommodated at the surface of the sponge. This is adsorption. When you came from a long vacations to your home and open your home and you see a dust layer on the surface of the article, that is adsorption. It means what? When substance get accommodated or retained at the surface of the another substance, it is known as adsorption. I am saying that it is surface phenomena which takes place only at the surface. It is known as adsorption. For example, let's suppose I am saying that it is a sponge, piece of a sponge on which chalk particles get accommodated like this. These chalk particles will not enter to the inner surface of the sponge. They will accommodated at the surface of the sponge. This process is known as adsorption. In adsorption, one substance get retained on the surface of the another substance. This process is known as adsorption. Now, the substance which get attached and accumulated it is known as adsorbate. What is this? Adsorbate. The substance which get accommodated at the surface of the another substance, it is known as adsorbate. That is, in this example, chalk particles are known as adsorbate, while the next on the surface at which these substances get accommodated, it is known as adsorbent. What is this? Adsorbent. Adsorbent is what? It is the substance at the surface of which the substance get accommodated, another type of substance get accommodated. It is known as adsorbent. So you have to remember adsorbate and adsorbent. Adsorbent is the surface on which substance get accommodated, and adsorbate is the substance which get attached to the surface of another substance. It is difference between the adsorbate and adsorbent. You can remember these two terms by taking solution. We know that solution, it consists of solute and solvent, right? Solute which is in less amount and solvent which is in large amount, right? Same thing we can compare here last digits. If adsorbate can be compared with the solute which is used in lesser amount, right? And solvent which is used in the larger amount, adsorbent. You can use the last letters of the solute to compare the adsorbate and last letters of the solvent to compare with the adsorbent. There is no correlation between these two, but it is just only for remembrance. What is the adsorbate and what is adsorbent? Now, one more thing, one more term, occlusion. What is occlusion? Occlusion is the phenomena in which gas particle get attached at the surface of solid metal. What I tell you? Gas adsorb at surface of metal. It means gas particle behave as adsorbate and metal surface behave as adsorbent. That's clear? This process is known as, this phenomena is known as occlusion. One more process is desorption. Accumulation of, or you can say retention of a substance at the surface of another substance is known as adsorption. When I say these molecules get detached from the surface of the adsorbent, this phenomena is known as desorption. It means reverse of adsorption is known as what? Desorption. When it can take place? In another factors, let's suppose we heat this substance or any other natural factors, or we can use some other things, तो उस केस में ये molecules dissolve हो जाते हैं, detach हो जाते हैं. This process is known as desorption. And one more is sorption. What means sorption? In case of sorption, adsorption and absorption, both takes place simultaneously. Adsorption and absorption. Adsorption is what? That takes place only at the surface. But absorption is what? It is bulk phenomena. It get accumulated in whole the solvent. Right? Let's suppose I am taking example of dyeing. Dyeing of, D-Y-E-I-N-G. डाइंग ऑफ फैब्रिक. डाइंग ऑफ फैब्रिक का मतलब क्या हुआ? लेट सपोज कोई फैब्रिक है, उसे डाई करना है. आई एम टेकिंग एग्जाम्पल. यू हैव टू सीन सम बेडशीट्स ऑन विच प्रिंट इज टेक प्लेस, या प्रिंट इज ओनली एट द surface of the bed sheet. This is not in the inner layer. It is the adsorption. If print, or you can say color, or you can say dye, remain only at the surface of the fabric, it is known as adsorption. But this fabric, this print, or you can say this color is put again and again on the fabric, these color particles will move inside the fabric particles. It means now it becomes absorption. When adsorption and absorption takes place in both process takes place simultaneously, this is known as sorption. So sorption means when adsorption and absorption takes place simultaneously, it is known as sorption. So surface chemistry, it is branch of chemistry which deals with the study of phenomena take place at surface or interface. It is known as surface chemistry. We will talk about adsorption, the process of attracting and accumulating the molecule of substance on surface known as adsorption. That I tell you, when a molecule gets accumulated on the surface of the another substance, it is known as adsorption. Next, the molecule species which concentrates or accumulate at the surface termed as adsorbate. It means this one, the molecule which get accumulated, it is known as adsorbate. The material on the surface of which substance get accumulated known as adsorbent. मतलब जिसकी surface पर adsorption हो रहा है उस substance को बोलते हैं adsorbent. Next is occlusion, the adsorption of gases on the surface of metal known as occlusion. Means अगर metal surface पर gas particle adsorb हो तो इसे बोला जाता है occlusion. Next is desorption, reverse of adsorption. It means removal of adsorbed substance from the surface of the adsorbent known as desorption. It is known as desorption and sorption, process in which both absorption and adsorption takes place known as sorption. Now we will talk about few examples of the adsorption, and adsorption is exothermic process and mechanism of adsorption in next video. Till then, goodbye.